So I'm going to take this YouTube video and I'm going to turn it into an interactive lesson. In order to do that, I'll go to playposit.com and then I will log in. I'll log in using my Google account. Once you answer a couple of questions, you'll end up at a screen that looks like this. Now, an interactive lesson in Playposit language is called a bulb. So my next step here is to design a video bulb. I'm going to click that. Now, I need to enter the video URL. So I'm going to use that, Control-C, Control-V, and there is my URL. I'm going to add that video. Now I'm going to take that video and I'm going to add some interactive elements to it, questions to it. You can see they give you some lessons here on how to do it. You can also watch little videos and stuff. Now I know how to do it, so I'm just going to go over here somewhere. And I'm going to add a question at the 38 second mark. I'm going to do it by hovering over this button and then clicking here. You can add heaps of different types of questions. I'm going to put a little free response in here. Now, that means that when the students are watching this video, it's going to pause at the 38 second mark and ask them that question, and then they'll have to type the answer themselves. I'll just go a bit further along in the video.
Records, what you just saw.
And I'm going to add another question here at this point. And you can add all sorts of different types of questions. We can do like a multiple choice question. Question: is his hair cool? And we can add questions: yes, no. And when we do that, we need to say which one is correct and which one's incorrect. So we'll save that as well. Okay, so what we finally have here is a YouTube clip with two interactive elements that the students will have to interact with, turning a passive video into something more active. So I feel like I've added enough questions here, I've added enough stuff. I'm going to name my video by going up here and name it. Added a learning objective. Now there's all of these settings here, and you can choose which of these settings you add. Allow viewers to rewind during questions, allow viewers to skip questions, no. Allow viewers to fast forward, no. Allow viewers to retake it once they've completed it, yep, no problem. And I'll close that up. Okay, so I've created it, it's all created. The last step would be to share it. Now you can share it in a number of different ways. I'm going to share it just by taking this URL, copying it, and emailing it to my class. Now there's a lot more that you can do with Playposit. If this is something that you're really keen on, shoot me an email and I can talk you through some stuff. But Playposit, it's all about making interactive videos.